Buongiorno. I'm in Val Paradiso, the heart of Sambuca, Agrigento, where they grow the beautiful extra virgin olive oil. I just wanted you to have a feel of the place. Have a look at this. Look at that. And they crush them. And they're actually, they're olives that are called bianchi, and they remain white. And they're actually extra virgin olive oil. Have a look at them. They're so beautiful. Have a feel of this place and the sun. You're coming to Sicily. Amazing. Have a look. Up in the heart, the right heart. Agrigento is called out of the name agriculture, and gentle means silver. So agricultural silver. It's the heart of where the agricultural part of Sicily is, where the beautiful produce of farmers, and they really don't have to do much because the sun and the land does it all for them. They just got to plant the seeds, and nature and the universe does the rest. And it's not fighting against anything, it's just going with the beautiful process of nature, and they work with the seasons. So it's an amazing place to visit and experience the heart of Sicily. So I hope that you do come to Agrigento when you do visit Sicily, because it's an amazing experience to savour. So now we're going to test the beautiful extra virgin olive oil. See you soon.